Messi fanboy brought this phone to be fixed. This phone is retired just like Messi and Ronaldo, giving their best for the love of the game, and it's time to go for the money. The phone is badly swollen, and this is how the customer brought the phone to be fixed. I'm going to be opening this phone to see how it looks inside. Sometimes this swollen battery can cause damage to the screen and other parts of the phone. This is how the battery looks like. It's so swollen. I have to replace the battery with a different one to see if this phone is going to work, because the battery is badly damaged. Moving these Infinix phones are quite easier to dismantle compared to other mobile phone brands. How the battery looks like is so big compared to how the battery should be. So we're going to be replacing the battery with a different one. Then we add sticker to hold the batteries. We're going to be replacing the new battery on this smartphone. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to replace the battery. This the new battery is fixed. Now time for truth, for us to know if this phone is going to work. If you like this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now we're going to tighten everything to see that everything is closed before we can be able to on this phone to be able to see if it's going to work. We have to make sure we tighten every screw, because these screws are what is going to hold these covers from falling off, just in case this phone falls down again or have any other problem. Some of these phones are quite easy to fix, most especially if you're just replacing the battery on this phone. Then we close it up to be able to put this phone to test to see if it's going to work. So now for the moment of truth. After closing the phone, you can see how the phone looks like. Everywhere is well closed compared to the first time whereby the phone was open with rubber band holding it. This is how it looks like now. For us to put the phone to use, you can see the phone is actually working. That means the battery is able to power this smartphone. Everything is working. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I have a question. Between Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, who is the greatest footballer of all time? And also check my video on what I was able to buy at one of the biggest electronic markets in Nigeria. This is a very interesting video which I believe everyone thinking of traveling or into repair tools can be able to watch. This video gives an insight of the costs and other things that is related to tech repairs and phone repairs, how much these things cost in other countries. So make sure to watch it.